At Metro Fire, precision and reliability are everything. That's why we've invested in the latest CNC technology to take our poly fabrication process to the next level. Our new CNC machine allows us to create custom mounts, trays, and interior compartment solutions with unmatched accuracy, all right here in-house. From extrication tool mounts to saw mounts and even fan brackets, this machine cuts with precision that ensures a perfect fit every time. Because we control the entire process, we can tailor each piece exactly to the needs of your department's apparatus. Whether you need a heavy-duty storage tray or a specialized compartment lining designed to withstand the toughest environments. Our poly components are engineered for durability, designed to keep your tools secure and accessible when every second counts. Behind the scenes, our skilled technicians used advanced software to design and program each cut with incredible precision. This means faster turnaround times, consistent quality, and the flexibility to adapt quickly to any custom request. Whether you're outfitting a new rescue vehicle or upgrading existing equipment, Metro Fire's CNC cut poly solutions deliver superior fit, function, and durability, all backed by our commitment to quality craftsmanship. At Metro Fire, innovation meets tradition, providing the best in fire apparatus equipment built tough to handle the job. Experience the precision of CNC fabrication. Experience Metro Fire. For more information on our apparatus customization, please reach us at mfas.com.